car show tomorrow.
It ain't stopping now. It ain't stopping. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is.
So it looks like it'll do for tomorrow, right?
Yeah,
Just
do for tomorrow.
driving down to the car
Yeah, we're just
show and
driving
back.
down the car show and back up.
Yeah. All right, pause. So in this video, we have Atwood Part 2. We saw drag racing in the rain along with a burnout and then also just some cinematic shots of the car show. We just got a new camera and mic setup, so we won't have the wind and everything like before. In this video, it's still probably gonna be the same because, you know, that's just how things go. But I hope you guys enjoy, and back to your late schedule program. Made it down to the car show.
This?
Sit inside of the hook. Dude,
See?
you gotta sit inside the hook.
You can swing. Don't worry. I'm gonna take that leg through here. Whoa.
Dude, that's cool.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing. Can you hear the sound?
Man, these Mustangs are so weird, dude. You tell me what you think about the Mustang. I think
I don't like it.
How do you get in? They got, I don't know. I honestly, I don't know.
Like,
Mustangs, they got the lights down, I'm telling you. Like, taillights and headlights, they look cool, for sure. They're just weird to me. I can't believe they would go from like a sports car to like a mid-size SUV. Like, okay, if they would have just made like a Mach-E like Mustang that's electric, that still has like the sports car look or something, or the muscle car look or whatever, like it would, I think it'd be better than just making a SUV. Like it's weird. It's super weird. It's weird to think like Ford Rangers really went from this to what they are now, huh? This is that Camaro we saw the other day, or you driving around yesterday. Who has an LSX in it?
really?
That's wild. Dude, it's insane.
You have to have the first voice in there.
Dude, that's wild. That's like the coolest thing I've seen today. I saw these cars. Dude, look at the teardrop exhaust pipes. Like, those are cool. That's a big turbo.
Yeah. There's that Cobra.
Yeah, this Cobra's kind of confusing me a little bit, though. Is it a kit car?
No,
No?
it's my car. It's the only one like it in the world, and I hand built it.
That's pretty cool. I was sitting here thinking, I was like, man, that looks like a Cobra. But it is having some interesting body lines going on. I was like, I don't remember the Cobras having the high back. Yeah. It's pretty cool looking for sure. I like it. And I looked on the front, I was like, 2021, wait, what's going on here? Reckon, I think he's driving all the way around. Yeah, that's cool. Now we gotta go watch him do a burnout. I think he pretty much roasted the tires off of it.
Yeah.
Everybody's leaving to go down to the drag races. We're really out here watching drag racing in the rain. That's crazy. Dude, they can't get any traction in the rain. Dang, it's starting to rain hard. I'm surprised they're running them.
Boulder takes the lead.
We just loaded up the Cuda in the middle of a rainstorm. Dang, dude, it freaking poured. I'm surprised they didn't cancel the drag races. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry about the mic quality for this one. Hopefully that gets fixed with the new camera and mic setup we have going. If you haven't seen part 1, go check that out. I'll put a flag over here somewhere. And since you guys stayed till the end, I would just like to remind you that give my channel a subscribe, like this video, it really means a lot to me, and don't stop chasing daylight.